These earrings are doing the most. Hey everyone, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Yes, hello. Oh, hello Jerusha Couture merchandise. The Zhuzh merchandise collection. Hello, iPhone case cover. What? Is this crazy or what? Oh my god, you guys, I can now let you know that I have merchandise through YouTube. I have some, it's not huge, but I have a few pieces in the Zhuzh line, and there is more in the works. There is more t-shirts in the works. The link is going to be now open. We've been preparing and putting things together. But this is the Zhuzh iPhone case cover where it's got the Zhuzh. And if you wonder about the spelling, my SUBBIE, hello to you out there, spelt it this way. So it's in honor of my subbies, all of you. The way I spell it is like this, to say Zhuzh. So that is it. It is white with the Zhuzh on it, and then it's got my signature down here at the bottom. And yeah, this is the white iPhone case. It also comes in Samsung and other sizes. Check out the link below, and then I think we've got t-shirts at the moment, but there's some other merch coming, so stay tuned. How exciting. It seems so funny actually. I could, like, things I say are on an iPhone case, really, but it's so cool. This is the Zhuzh. As I had mentioned in my last video, I said I would be back with an unboxing of these two items that I picked up on my vlog with my mum when we went to the city together. However, I'm only going to be able to do this one today. I have just had back-to-back meetings and I'm super exhausted. So I don't really want to push myself at this point in my pregnancy, and I know that this was definitely one of the main ones you guys wanted to see because it was definitely not planned. So this is a true unboxing. Without further ado, we will get straight into it to show you. If you watch that vlog, I'm sure you guys have a pretty good idea of what I purchased. Took home with me. So from out of the bag we have the box, beautiful, beautiful bag, and the receipt and a card. This is the La Posa collection book that the essay there, Ellen, gave me. I have met Ellen before, and when I walked in there she goes, Jerusha, and I was just like, oh my god, you work here? And she was like, yeah, I work at Chanel Castlereagh Street in Sydney City. I was just so incredibly stoked to see her when I walked in. I haven't seen her for a long time. And the story was that I just asked about this bag. It's a bag. I just asked about it because my essay at Bondi Junction, Sunny, I will share the price at the end, told me that they were completely sold out Australia-wide, which that's fine because that's what her database would have shown. However, Ellen found, oh cute, she gave me a card. I gotta frame these, I just love them so much. Ellen found it in the offsite storage. Best wishes for you and your family for 2019, Ellen and the Chanel team at Castlereagh. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. It's so good now actually to have two essays in contact with, so you can sort of go back and forward for items. So here is our beautiful box. I literally am like, I cannot believe, and like another new from the boutique. Chanel. It's not like me. If you follow my channel, I like to buy pre-loved. So yes, it showed up in her offsite storage as in stock. So she got a runner to go over and see if it was actually true and if it was in stock. And as I said, if you watch that vlog, it was. So beautiful box, of course, Chanel. So beautiful. It is so beautiful. found the dust bag. And to show you, beautiful accordion, to show you my brand new, which it's just crazy. I just did not think I would be getting this bag brand new. Trust me, at all. At all. So she's done a lovely accordion paper down here. Here is the care booklet, and in a care booklet has the wipe dust cloth to wipe off calf and lamb leather in all its glory. Oh my god. I honest to God, hand on heart, it was the craziest reaction when I saw Ellen walking like out of the corner of my eye in the peripheral vision. I saw her walking with a dust bag coming upstairs as I was waiting to find out if they actually did have the stock or it was a system error. And I literally, like, it was so dramatic. I'm telling you, it was dramatic. And I was like, ah! And Mum was like, oh my god. And I was like, okay, pregnant women at this stage should not do things like that in public. That's where you get people starting to ask, is there a doctor around? But no, I just gasped because I was like, no way, just no way. This is the Chanel Urban Spirit backpack in the size large. It is the new version, which is the quilted, the classic diamond quilting in the calf skin. So when they first designed this bag, they did it in all over lamb skin in the diamond quilting, and they only offered the calf skin, which is a little firmer. It really is, so it's got that more of a structured kind of look in the chevron. So it had the chevron, you know, quilting all the way through it. They didn't offer the diamond quilting in calf until now. And I knew, I just was searching for this combination exactly because I wanted it to be structured. However, I didn't mind if it was pre-loved. There were a lot on Fashion File. I will link them below. But the ones that I really loved were just kind of either the ones that I really love, were in like different hardwares or whatever. I just really wanted kind of like classic Chanel gold with the diamond quilting. I did, and there was one I almost pressed buy on, which was the chevron quilting in calf with silver hardware. It was gorgeous. It was so gorgeous. However, for Australians with conversion rates and whatnot to US dollar, it would have been more than this brand new. But I didn't have an option of brand new because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I was really impartial to whatever it was, new or pre-loved. I never care. I really never care. I know a lot of people in the Luxe and YouTubers say I really prefer to buy brand new. I don't care. I'm so impartial. If it's gently pre-loved, if it's used, like I'm not going to buy something that's really beaten up. But to get this brand new was crazy. And Mum was like, are you going to take that bag? Like, you didn't even say anything about it all day. And I was like, yes, honey, when you find a diamond in the rough like that, you just got to take it, girl. You got to take it. She was like, oh my God. So this is it up close, so you can get a nice look at it. There are so many different, I guess, videos or unboxings of the Urban Spirit backpack. Mostly in, I want to say the size, mostly I found in the size small. I really wanted to find a good one in the size large, which I did. I'm going to link her channel below. I'm sorry, babe, I can't remember your name right this second, but it was such a good video because they were the details I really wanted to know. I wanted to know size. I'm so much taller, so I wanted to know, you know, this is a bigger bag, so it's, you know, not a mini bag. You're not downsizing. You can fit everything in this. So I will link her video below, but it was just fantastic. The other thing I definitely knew I wanted with the newer backpack, it's got the chain. So that's in the cruise collection, that's the zipper. So much more user-friendly. Trust me, because this is the zipper, so you can get into it. But it has chains, and I knew I wanted like a backpack. I still loved my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs in the PM size. It just was like, it was too small on my body frame. But I did love the idea of a backpack, and I love that backpacks had come back in the last 2 seasons, 2 years of collections with all the houses. I think it's fantastic. Like, I love the Clapton and I love the Gucci ones. I think they're great. I just wanted something, I don't know, so chic. Jen loves hers. Gen G loves hers, so I was like, okay, this is so cool. So this is it. Still got its protective covering. And you open the flap like so. So this is the thing with calf skin. Calf skin is very deceiving. Some people think there's no feet on the bottom, but some people think that calf skin is more durable than lamb. However, that's incorrect. It scratches a lot more than lamb. If you've seen my boy bag, girl, it's got scratches for days, and you just have to work out how to buff them out. If you can, because it doesn't buff out easy, but it's a stiffer type of leather. There is the Mona Lisa smile pocket on the back, which I think is super handy for cards or parking ticket, meter tickets. She stuffed it beautifully. So it is cotton lined inside, which I personally love. I'll try and get you a good shot so that you can see it is black. Obviously you have one slip pocket on the back here and then one zipper compartment behind it, so kind of like a mini flap. So there, and it's really quite substantial. There's probably half the way down. Authenticity card, and then it's got, like the GST, it's got a clip to clip your wallet or your keys, and then it's just, yeah, a big open compartment down inside, one open compartment. I would probably say this is really similar size to my YSL Lulu, my small, my medium Lulu. I'd say it's that kind of size. So that's my beauty case at the moment. It's coincidental, it's all Chanel. So I will pop that down on the bottom like so. My sunglasses, Celine, next to it, standing up. Oh my god, I have to do a first impressions on this little cosmetic case, guys. So I might put that down on the side like this. Can we see? Put my XL black caviar wallet. I'll just put that down in the middle. My Chanel reading glasses. Oh, it is a Chanel fiasco up in here, people. Louis Vuitton 4-ring key holder. I can just put that on top. And then my car key is still on my Lindy's. Oh, look at my bracelet on as well. God, I love Lindy. She is so gorgeous. Oh, she's so gorgeous. I just watched her vlog the other day. And this is the poof, the grey poof of hers. I'm not a poof girl on the outside really, so I'd probably just put that down inside so I can find my keys. So there you go, that is what I had in my Lulu, my medium Lulu, and that's, you know, that still, I could still put more on top if Mussy needed stuff if I wanted to. And my phone. And the good thing is that you don't have, I'll put my phone in the slip compartment in the front. There we go. And the good thing is you don't have to particularly worry about weight because it's a backpack. But if I stand up, and this is just for you guys because listen, preggers, you can carry it like so. So in the crook of your arm, the chain stops, so that's nice. So you can carry it handheld. That's so nice for picking it up off the seat of your car. You can double it over the shoulder. Look at this bump. You can double it over the shoulder like so. So cute. You can sling it one on the shoulder. So cute. Or full backpack style, both shoulders. which is just divine. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's quickly share with you the price. So in the little camellia envelope here from Castlereagh, this backpack, this is interesting, in calf skin leather comes in at 5,940 Australian dollars. The small, if you saw in that vlog, in lambskin leather comes in at, what did it come in at? I think 5,990 or 5,980. Like just a smidge more because it is lambskin. Their lambskin is the zhuzh, and in their eyes it's the zhuzh. Okay guys, that brings me to the end of my unboxing and quickly showing you what fits in it. Now that I've packed it, I should probably just use it right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my new Urban Spirit backpack from Chanel, what is happening, give me a thumbs up. So definitely check out my link below for my merch. I don't have a ton on there right now, but it is all going to come through. It's crazy to think that you can do this as a YouTuber. So this is my the zhuzh phone cover. It also comes in Samsung, as I said, so check it out. Check out the link below for my Jerusha Couture merchandise. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and wish to do so, that would be great guys, and if you tell a friend to subscribe too, why not? As always, thank you so much for your support. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.